I am Twinkle Patra, a legal intern at Lexus and Company, and the topic that I am going to discuss today is how to release your vehicle from the court. So we all must have gone through the situation where the police officer takes our vehicle and tell us to take them from the court, right? And to make it more easier, first I will give you an example. For example, a car and a bike met with the accident, and the car belongs to Mr. X and bike belongs to Mr. Y. Now, for the investigation purpose, the police has took both the vehicles, and now the Mr. X and Mr. Y both want to release them. So, how will they go to the court and release them? I will tell you that. First, they will have to file an application, and this application is called Superdari, right? And this Superdari is not limited to any vehicle or document. It can be any case property related to particular case. Okay, so this comes under section 451 of CRPC, and under that section we can file an application of Superdari. So, and one important thing, if that vehicle is involved in any criminal procedure, then the court will only release it temporarily, not permanently. It will release temporarily. ठीक है. And the court or police officer can anytime tell you that to bring that vehicle for the investigation purpose. Now I will tell you the procedure for Superdari. First, hire an advocate. Obviously, he will file an application in the court, and after filing an application, the court will give some direction and condition and ask you to furnish that Superdari, and that undertaking has to be furnished on a non-judicial paper, on a non-judicial stamp paper, and that stamp is available within the court with the stamp vendors. After that, the court will accept the Superdari. If accepts the Superdari, then the court will give the order to release that that vehicle or any case property that you want to release, and the copy of that Superdari should be given to Malkhana Munshi by you. Then so he will release your vehicle and hand over that vehicle to you. And if the court has given some conditions, so you should abide by it, and you should not alter your vehicle or should not do anything on that vehicle if the court says no to that. Now the documents I was talking about, I will tell you that what are the documents that is required along with the Superdari bond. Okay, first is Wakalatnama. If you don't know Wakalatnama, I will tell you in short. Wakalatnama is the authority given to the lawyer so that he can act on behalf of his client. That is called Wakalatnama, right? First we need the Wakalatnama. Second, we need the copies of that vehicle or any other thing that you want to release. Copy of the documents, and for the safety purpose you have to give the original documents as well. And third are the IDs of the owner, including the license, driving license. In IDs you can give Aadhaar card, voter ID card, etc., whatever you will have. And obviously the Superdari bond. These are the 4 documents that you need to file an application of Superdari in the court. And one important thing is the owner of the property can also authorize any other person to file an application on his behalf. He can give right to any of his relative, friend, whoever he wants, by filing an authority letter. He have to file an authority letter and an application, so that he wants to say that on my behalf he or she will file an application. Now I will tell you what a Supurdagi Nama or an indemnity bond have in it. On the top of it we will write the court name in which the case has been filed. On the left side we will write in the matter of, and we will write state versus. The right side the name who is filing the Supurdagi Nama, and below that we will write the FIR number, and then we will write the Supurdagi Nama, the initials. For example, this is whereas this honorable court has been pleased to release the vehicle along with RC, DL and insurance to Pankaj Mahajan. For example, let's just take the name Pankaj Mahajan on Superdari in the sum of rupees, whatever the court decide. The Superdar is executing the Superdari Nama on his dash day of June to 2021 or whatever the date is for the satisfaction of the honorable court. And then the next paragraph is in pursuance of above said order 1, Superdar undertakes not to sell the above said vehicle and not make any change in the body of the above said vehicle without prior permission of the honorable court, and further undertakes to abide by all the conditions imposed by the SHO, and undertakes to produce the above said vehicle as and when required. In failure, the sum of rupees this, whatever the court will decide, will be forfeit to the government of NCT of Delhi, or if whatever the state is. It is not necessary that it is in Delhi only, right? So this is the indemnity bond that has to file along with the application of Superdari. And if you wish that if you want to see this, I will share it with you. Tell me in the comment section, and also like, share and subscribe to our video. Thank you.